Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Northern Coastal Highway. We are going through Priory, which is just on the outskirts of St. Anne's Bay. Now, it was announced some months ago that this highway that we're driving on is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. And Priory, along with Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay, for those areas, they're going to build a bypass. So this area we're on now is going to get a bypass because it has a lot of traffic, and as you can see, it's a developed area. So to turn this road into 4 lanes here, it's going to be very difficult. You'd have to move a lot of structures. So because of the traffic congestion right here, they decided to just build a bypass. So this road now, the Northern Coastal Highway, is very important. It takes you from the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and it runs along the entire north coast of Jamaica. This road actually runs from Montego Bay to Negril, and then from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and then goes all the way to Port Antonio. So it runs along the entire north coast of Jamaica. And everybody knows the north coast of Jamaica is very popular because of tourism. They have some of the nicest beaches, some of the largest hotels, 5-star hotels along this strip. So can you imagine now, you fly from Florida to Jamaica, it takes an hour and a half. And then you get in a car and it takes you over 2 hours to get from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. So that is why they have this highway, and that's why they're going to expand it, because the traffic on this highway has grown and they need a better road structure. So from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. And the airport in Montego Bay is actually the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica. So that tells you more foreigners come into Jamaica than Jamaicans travel. So, and the main tourist spot is Montego Bay. The second most popular tourist spot is Ocho Rios. So it's only natural that you're going to need a good road to take you from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. Also, a lot of the major tourist attractions are on the north coast. In Ocho Rios, you have Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, and right here on the right now we're passing Choco Cove. They have a lot more tourist attractions along this road, or on the north coast. So they said the expansion is going to cost 120 billion Jamaican dollars, and it's going to be one of the largest infrastructure projects undertaken in Jamaica. They haven't announced a start date yet, but it should start soon.